$20,000 seller credit. On a cul-de-sac in the FireWise Certified and gated community of RidgeWater, Bates Homes has created a perfect environment to enjoy all 4 seasons in your climate-controlled home. This large model features an open floor plan, coffered ceilings in the ample living area, a covered patio, dining area, mudroom, large pantry and lots of storage space. The kitchen is in classic wood cabinetry, quartz countertops, farm sink and stainless steel appliances with an eating bar just waiting for your guests. The exterior is complementary to the 300 days of Klamath County sunshine in a pleasing contrast of textures and color on nearly 3/4 acre, set back with a long driveway. Enjoy numerous wildlife viewing and birding opportunities to bring nature to you, either through the large windows or on the extensive trail system. Over 5 miles of private trails to hike.